Hello, I'm Philip Easton. I'd like to welcome you to the Domino booth at Labelexpo 2019. Delighted to introduce to you what we're doing at the show this year. We have 4 separate exhibits and we're running regular presentations on all those exhibits throughout the show. The first exhibit is behind me here and it's a hybrid line. So it's in conjunction with AB Graphics. We have the Domino 7-color N610i. And we'll be producing 4 separate production jobs and 10 different SKUs in less than 20 minutes with a number of job changeovers. We're running silver ink through a flexo, different varnish options, changes of substrates, and we're just showing what can be produced in a single process with absolutely minimum waste, great for the environment and great for your cost savings through the reduced waste. So this is the Domino N610i. At the beginning we have a foiling unit and I'd like to just take you through the line. One of the key features of this are these buffers. These buffers mean we can reverse the web that enables us to reduce the waste on a job change to something like that amount of material. So that's about 7 meters we've got on the job change. We go through here, we've got semi-rotary die cutting. Probably one of the key, and the reason we can go with a single process, so this is all single process. We have a vision inspection system on the line. So we've got white material coming in, highly embellished labels coming out, and they are finished labels ready for shipment in a single process. So that's our first exhibit, the Domino N610i hybrid application. If you come with me, the next application we have is the Domino K600i. This is a great example, and you can see here the sort of labels we're printing. We're printing a range of variable data applications. So the labels we're going to be printing, each one has 3 different codes on it that change on every single one of those labels. And we'll be producing 1 million different labels at each hour on this application, running 150 meters a minute on this system. This is on a slitter rewinder line, but the K600i is used a lot of the time as retrofits, can fit onto your existing production equipment such as a flexo press or a finishing line. So that's our K600i high-speed variable data printing. Follow me. The next line we've got here is our digital embellishment line. Here we have further K600i's, but in this instance we're doing 2 different types of application. The first thing is we're doing a foiling application where we're printing the cold foil glue with a K600i that we then laminate and delaminate so that you've got digital foiling capability. And you can see here some of these labels that we're producing. These are gin labels. These inks are LED curable, but we have the gin labels just here with a whole range of different SKUs. So you'll see the images, the foil images are changing throughout the process. This second station is actually printing a spot varnish. So in addition to be able to printing the foil, we're also producing the varnish digitally. This is completely unique technology, no printing plates. We're digitizing the finishing process. It's not just about digital printing and then being left with that finishing backlog after you've printed the labels. We're now trying to create the whole process. So short and medium run production from blank labels coming in to completely finished labels can be done in a single process. So that's our embellishment line. What we've got here is our standard reel-to-reel N610i. What's unique about this product is that we're showing for the first time our international launch of our food compliant ink set, UV95. So we'll be printing for the first time with Nestle approved, UPA listed ink set that's suitable for food packaging applications. One of the differences, however, of this ink is its other properties are fantastic as well. You're not restricted just to food. The ink's got great abrasion resistance, it's got good blue wool scale, light fastness ratings. So this is the N610i with the Domino new UV95 food compliant ink set. Thank you very much for coming with me on our setup day. It's been great to see you and we look forward to seeing you all come to our booth over the next few days. So thank you.